I think it's a good idea, Carl. Can you give it to Mimi, please? Can you give it to Mimi? Hey, Mimi. Hey, Mimi, have your glasses. Who's this?
Guy. Oh, Fifi.
Miss Rachel?
Good morning, friends. It's day 2 here at Selkirk in the cottage. We have some leftover rice, so we're gonna try to make it fried rice. And then I already cooked some new set of rice in the pot. Last night, we were trying to see the Aurora Borealis. Because it was like people were talking about it, that they saw it on Toronto, Hamilton, and we're like in the south side of Hamilton, so they went out last night, but we couldn't go with them because Kali was already asleep at 7 p.m. That was supposed to be just his like second nap, but he woke up today 6 a.m. almost 12 hours sleep. So we couldn't leave because they would need the car, and we only brought one car, so it was just them. And then Christian texted me last night around 2 something that they're home, but I only saw the message around 5 a.m. I checked their stories. There was no stories about the aurora, so I don't think they saw aurora last night.
Whoa.
Fried rice and sausage and egg. So ever since Kali turned 2, he's been throwing fits at us, like tantrums. Like, it's true when they say terrible twos. Like the moment, like on his first birthday, there's some shifts that happened. He was like, "I'm a new person now. I'll fight you." Be like, "I'm gonna test your patience more." You say Tuesday. Can you say Wednesday? Can you say Monday? How about Sunday? Okay, okay.
Wow, ipa-side view. Wow, galing naman ng bata, pati ni Kali.
Thanks, Dad, for this toy. Okay, Kali, you wanna do it?
Kali, you can crush it. Topple it.
Kali! Kali! Do it, do it. Wow!
Go, please. Just what?
I'm too late.
Wow. Babe, give me a chance.
It's like a little bit less, but more. A victim to si Christine.
Huh? You wanna fight?
Fight.
That just confirms that you are a victim.
Oh. Kasi said, milk bread from Harina, coffee, Keurig, Pike Place, Starbucks, and oat milk from Parkland. Thank you.
What?
This is my water, right? Babe.
No.
Nice. Move forward 5.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wheel! Your turn, baby boy. Being your friend, yes.
Aww. Aww. The sacrifice. Strong winds in the shore. Oh my gosh.
Mima?
Yeah, you can say Mima. So like meow. How do you eat this thing?
We're suffering
It's so
through
hard to
the
chew.
worst part of our trip.
So we were just playing, right? Monopoly.
Ah, okay.
And then all the lights turned off.
Yeah.
The lights are out, so magba-blackout, and maybe tonight we won't have any electricity.
You pass, go collect $200. Is that what it says? Yeah.
Yeah. What does that mean?
So you basically went around the board. So
Update!
We're stuck in the cottage. We almost died. Not a clickbait. Let's do very bleak.
Set up a bed in the living
We're all vlogging. That's our life. We're lit by candlelight. Ali's having fun. I'm sure he won't remember. We will. This time is fun. I wanna do. This room is fun. We play Monopoly. It's very cool. Okay, let's sit down.
here. We just called. I don't know until what the power's gonna be out.
Oh my god.
We have a flashlight keeping us afloat.
Oh my god.
Stop.
In the living room.
Oh.
We have to support each other.
is she doing it for Instagram stories?
Yeah.
We're finding candy.
Onion rings.
I meant GE. But they're good.
Sour cream.
Callie, watch out!
Yes, baby, I'm here. I see you. But not the camera.
Oh, there's less. There's like 5. So then you have to.
$500.
One loses.
I know,
We're
right?
getting richer. Oh, I can embezzle.
No.
Embezzled it.
Whose turn is it? Christine, I think it's your turn.
I would embezzle.
You paid her, right?
Whose?
Toy, someone paid.
She exchanged mine.
Oh,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Payday, payday,
I'll
payday.
pay you first.
Hi.
Which one's that?
Ay.
Hindi mamansin talaga.
54.
Wow. Really focus. Here is a live video of a first bang rap.
I can see the happiness in my eye. Yeah, legit.
It's the happiest bang rap ever.
It's nice to feel bankrupt. There's no more pressure.
Were you stressed?
You got a little bit.
1, 2, 3, 4,
They
5.
just 600. Or 500.
Okay, here. 500.
Whoa.
Can I get it for bills, please?
On sale.
on sale.
Can I get
Okay.
another 500 bills, please?
Where's me?
When you pay my bills.
Wait, where's
when you
the-
You're on
pay
this
my
side.
bills.
I just need to.
Look, it's a doggy.
Guys. How big is this? Is this from Cali?
Yeah.
You really have to question that?
She was dying.
Card.
Worrying.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Where's Peter? Peter Parker.
4. Is this you?
Yeah.
Resale.
That's yours. Okay, give me.
Give me $12. Do you have $12?
Of course it's
That's more
mine.
than.
Whatever.
No.
You wanna give me 5 You wanna give me 5 back?
The change of your change.
You should just give her $10.
Here.
Okay.
Showtime. Going to jail. Put me in jail. Is it not gonna go through that stress again?
Oh yeah, it's your own lane.
1, 2,
Saras? I mean, Toys R Us alone. What? Toy Story.
Toys R Us.
Well, you don't have Wi-Fi?
Basically.
Wait, how come Kristen has Wi-Fi?
I don't have Wi-Fi. It's data.
No data, yeah. You don't have data?
I don't have
Are
either.
we with freedom?
Her.
She's with Freedom there. Hi guys, good morning. So today is day 3 out of 3. Day half of the day without current and or electricity or water. So far we finished the water that was given to us to flush and like to drink. We didn't ration it properly, so there's that. Our new plan is that we are gonna go to the town to get food. Charge our phones as our stay here got extended until 3. Hopefully by then the current is gonna come back because we're about to kill each other off. Anyways,
Damn, I thought we were chilling. I'm like, what the heck?
I'm trying to be dramatic like Hunger Games. Thanks for coming to see our vlog.
Hey guys, so the morning after the storm, there's still no electricity. We have no water because house used electricity to pump water. Since the water is out, we're fetch. Now I'm trying to find a source of water or where I can pee. So we're gonna try and message the owner. Can use the water in the drum just for flushing. Hi neighbor! So this is the beach after the storm. It's so dirty. A lot of sand in either the sandbank or from the shore. So I've never walked here. Yeah, it's pretty strong last night.
What's that?
It's just a camera recorder. Yeah.
Took my picture?
Yeah. So this is basically the full facing Lake Erie, and across is one of the city in New York State. We didn't check here last night or yesterday, but I think the water was probably going over here. We're gonna have to drive out to get food. We can't cook and there's no water.
Hi guys, so now we are brushing our teeth in the sink using our mineral water. Live, laugh, love.
We are going out to get food for breakfast kasi we can't cook. Can you show me your boots? Oh, bless you.
It was $20 instead of 40, okay?
Guys, look, we're under here. We're here parked. Ito mga trespassers.
Trespassing out here.
We're here in an undisclosed location with no trespassing sign.
It's the biggest thing in the world.
Okay, wait. I got it.
Sige na, may police! Sir, they forced me to drive here.
What? We just had to be
3, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Wonky!
1, 2, 3. Lake house.
Lake house.
700.
We're selling ours.
You're selling it? Why?
1, 2, 3. Jump shot. These are the faces of the people who survived the thunderstorm.
It's a video of you sitting, and then another next person, right? And then you edit it all.
Yeah, just crap.
Let's go!